In 1881, a sewing machine company understood something that most advertisers had not yet figured out. They were not selling a machine. They were selling a life. This trade card for the New Home Sewing Machine Company depicts a frontier family outside their modest Western home, a father lifting a child, children playing, a woman at her sewing machine visible through the open doorway. The scene is aspirational in every detail. The landscape is open and hopeful. The family is whole and content. The message is not about stitches per minute or thread tension. It is about what owning this machine says about who you are and what you have built. That instinct, selling identity rather than product, became the foundation of modern advertising. New Home understood it in 1881.